Kenneth Golden unveils a bold cultural initiative. His new publication is called The Sodom and Gomorrah Effect 2.0. Visionary author, researcher and entrepreneur Kenneth Golden has launched a groundbreaking initiative that dares to confront the accelerating moral and spiritual crisis gripping modern society. Renowned for his profound work in psychology, spirituality, and historical exploration, Kenneth now directs his insight toward one of the most urgent cultural warnings of our time: the Sodom and Gomorrah Effect 2.0. This provocative and timely project draws unsettling parallels between today's digital age decadence and the infamous downfall of ancient Sodom and Gomorrah. But this isn't merely a historical comparison, it's a wake-up call. Through meticulous research and unapologetic commentary, the Sodom and Gomorrah Effect 2.0 exposes the dangerous trajectory of modern culture, marked by the erosion of values, unchecked indulgence, and spiritual neglect. Kenneth challenges society to confront this collapse, not with fear, but with faith, wisdom, and actionable change. His mission is to ignite a global conversation about cultural accountability, spiritual awakening, and the reclaiming of purpose-driven living. Kenneth Golden continues to push boundaries, question norms, and inspire transformation. With the Sodom and Gomorrah Effect 2.0, he invites individuals and communities to rise above chaos and rediscover the divine blueprint for human thriving. Kenneth Golden's Sodom and Gomorrah 2.0 has the digital end-time equivalent of destruction of a large portion of the known world, however, utilizing a different pathway. The Psychology of Decision-Making is an engaging and comprehensive introspection that delves into the intricate workings of the human mind when faced with choices. The original Sodom and Gomorrah was destroyed a short time after Abraham and Lot left their homeland and embarked on a journey in search of a new start. Abraham was called by God to leave his homeland and go to a land that he would show him. Lot, Abraham's nephew, chose to move to the plains near the wicked city of Sodom. This happened later after separating from Abraham due to disputes over land and resources. Lot chose to settle in the fertile plains near Sodom, a place known for its wickedness and immorality. Understanding the complexities of decision-making is crucial in numerous aspects of life, ranging from personal choices to professional decision-making. This human thinking explores the cognitive processes, biases, and heuristics that influence how individuals make decisions. When we examine classical and contemporary theories in psychology, exploring topics such as rational decision-making, prospect theory, and the impact of emotions on choices, attempt to place your cognitive thinking processes in the time frame of the original Sodom and Gomorrah inhabitants. Now add artificial intelligence, modern-day organized evil, and the influence of practical applications of decision science in real-world scenarios, plus the factual phrase that we wrestle not against flesh and blood, which comes from Ephesians 6:12. With that being said, our struggle is not against human enemies, but against spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms who control and manipulate the global human population. This verse emphasizes that the true battle is against evil rulers, authorities, and powers of darkness, rather than physical adversaries. The Apostle Paul highlights that our opponents are the devil and his schemes, indicating a spiritual warfare that requires vigilance and strength. What we come up with needs to be emphasized in order to provide individuals with valuable insights and strategies to enhance their own decision-making abilities and navigate the complexities of choices in an ever-evolving world. Hence, Sodom and Gomorrah 2.0 is born. The digital end time is simply coming around at this point in time. Ecclesiastes 1-9 states that which has been is what will be, and what has been done is what will be done, and there is nothing new under the sun. Through a combination of theoretical discussions, case studies, and interactive exercises, this research offers a holistic understanding of the psychological factors that shape decision-making and equips participants with the tools to make informed and effective choices in various contexts. However, The residents of Sodom and Gomorrah operated under what one might call the herd instinct. Even though there were attempts made by members of Lot's family to persuade Lot's daughter's fiancés to leave, the herd instantly took everyone to a fiery death. This next information segment is something that every person should be educated about. However, very few churches and learning institutions spread the word about it. In addition to the Sodom and Gomorrah effect, 2.0 Kenneth will reveal the 7 dispensations. With his revelation about this additional subject, Kenneth brings to life vital information every person living on planet Earth should know about. The timeline summary of the dispensation ages include the following. 1. The age of innocence. 2. The age of conscience. 3. Human government. 4. The promise. 5. The law. 6. The age of grace. 7. Finally, the 1,000-year millennium. Below there is a video that will break everything down for you and proceed to describe each of the 7 time periods in a way that will leave no doubt in your mind.